Myself S.D.Harshini, Yellow Team E1. Now I am prepared the hop syrup. That ingredients: Ada Toda root, Kantankatiri, Tooduvalai, Atte. Each ingredients take 50 gram. வால்மிளகு, திரிகடுகம், அக்கீரை, அதிமதுரம், மாயக்காய், கொட்டம். Each ingredients take 30 gram. சித்திரத்தை 50 gram. All the things I mentioned should be powdered. Then prepare the syrup. Now powder all the ingredients with the help of mixie. Next place the earthen pot in the oven. Next pour the 1 liter of water into the pot. Next put the grinded powder into the pot. Next boiling the water well. After the water boils well, lower the pot. Now filter the syrup. Now the syrup is cooled down nicely. It will transfer into the bottle. Now Ayurveda herb syrup is ready. This Ayurvedic herb syrup is mix 10 ml of honey and give it to small children. Mix 20 ml of honey and give it to adults. Thank you.